Took my family away from my Carolina home. Had dreams about the West and started to roam. 6 long months on a dust-covered trail. They say heaven's at the end, but so far it's been hell. And there's fire on the mountain, lightning in the air, gold in them hills, and it's waiting for me there.
This is my stock to my Grand Hauler, mostly stock. The front bumper has been tucked in, trimmed a little shorter. The front visor has also been trimmed and shortened.
We were digging and sifting from 5 till 5, selling everything we found just to stay alive. Blood flowed free like the whiskey in the bars. Sin was the big thing, Lord, and sin was the star. And there's fire on the mountain, lightning in the air, gold in them hills, and it's waiting for me there.
Blacked out most of the chrome. The air cleaners on each side of the hood were color matched to the body. The green was a color Dad and I had talked about painting a project car we had a long time ago. Never really got off the ground, so decided I'd use the paint here, kind of to remember him by. Same with the Windcatcher name on the side of the truck. Windcatcher was his CB handle when he was running a mobile MRI scanner in eastern Wyoming, western Nebraska, and northeastern Colorado. Windcatcher was also the name he used for his photography he did, and a lot of people knew him by that name as well.
And tall girls were the demon tree, and the cartridge and bloodlines a good earth of the street. Men were shot down for the sake of fun, or just to hear the noise of their 44 guns. And there's fire on the mountain, lightning in the air, gold in them hills, and it's waiting for me there. Now my widow, she weeps by my grave. Tears flow for the man that she couldn't save. Shot down in cold blood by a gun that carried fame. All for a useless and no good, worthless claim. And there's fire on the mountain, lightning in the air, gold in them hills, and it's waiting for me there. Fire on the mountain, lightning in the air, gold in them hills, and it's waiting for me there.
All the LED lights and the light controller on the truck are from My Trick RC. The truck's just running a basic 2-channel radio at the moment and a Hobby Wing crawler ESC in it. The format of the video I got kind of inspired by Chris over at Big Rig Videos. If you haven't checked out any of his videos, definitely go give him a like and check out some of his awesome rig videos. The truck's not finished yet. There's still some work to do to it. I'd like to get a trailer for it. The song is originally by the Marshal Tucker Band, Fire on the Mountain. The version you heard is actually my dad singing it as a cover. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, and we'll talk again later.